All right, I just wanted to make a video to show you how I thought of doing these tiers here for the Coco gift cards when we're billing through Coco. First of all, I turned on the 30-day free trial enabled. So any of these three tiers that they choose, the free trial will be in effect for 30 days, and then this tier will kick in. We've got the $12.99 tier, $29.99 a month tier, and the $49.99. If you go into the $12.99 tier, you'll see that it's up to 500 active cards and up to 1,000 inactive gift cards. 20 cents per card above the limit. And I put that 20 cents per card above the limit on there because we can't force these people to go to the next tier. They have to choose to do that themselves. So I figured if they go over their limit with cards, we'll just tack on an extra 20 cents per month per card that they're over, and that'll encourage them as they get a certain amount of them. It'll be worth it for them to move to the next tier to get more cards. The tier 2 for $29.99 a month, I put it at 3,000 gift cards active, 6,000 inactives with 10 cents per card over the limit. And that's for $29.99. And we can tweak these prices all we want and add extra tiers if we want. For the $49.99 per month, tier 3, we have 10,000 active gift cards and up to 20,000 inactives at 5 cents per extra card. So I've got that as our top tier right now. If somebody goes hog wild or is a longtime customer, they may get more than their 10,000 actives. And we'll start charging them 5 cents per card extra. It's kind of a minimal fee that will still keep them as customers, I think. And we can tweak that even lower or higher, however we need. And then down here is the metered pricing, and these are the three things that we'll use. And Lisa can implement these in the billing. Every month we can go through and just count how many, if they're on tier 1, how many extra cards do they have, and bill them an extra 20 cents per extra card they have, and 10 cents for tier 2 and 5 cents for tier 3. So that's kind of what I was thinking would work for billing over Clover. Let me know what you think.